Hello boys and girls, how are you? Hopefully you are fine and doing well. So you are now engaged in the final preparation of your exams. Okay, so right now I'm going to solve a paper from IGCSE. Okay, and hopefully it will be of great help for all of you. So a tip for you is that if you are not yet finished with your syllabus, so no need to worry, just start doing your yearly past papers and try to solve as many questions as you can, and then also try to write it down what you don't know, and then spend a lot of time or appropriate time to learn all those questions with concepts. Okay, this will help a lot, and then you will progress well. So without wasting any further time, proceeding. So you can see this is 062042 from IGCSE, May-June 2022. The time allowed is 1 hour 15 minutes. So while you are starting your practice, it doesn't matter whatever the time is required and how much time you are spending, it doesn't matter. But when you start practicing and progressed, then it matters. Okay, so initially no need to worry about if you spend 1 hour 30 minutes, 1 hour 40 minutes, it doesn't matter. Okay, try to solve each and every question with proper concepts. Okay, and try to practice the question. If you require that it is more appropriate to practice twice or thrice, you can. Okay, no need to worry, just first priority try to understand properly. So proceeding now, question 1 is related. The symbols of elements of period 3 of the periodic table are shown. We can see starting from sodium till argon. Okay, then he says that answer the following questions about these elements. Each symbol may be used once, more than once, or not at all. So please don't confuse. You may use any of the element twice, more than twice, or not at all. Okay, so no need to worry about. Then the main demand is write the symbol. Please do as directed. Whatever the instruction is, try to act accordingly. Okay, so he says that write the symbol of the element which form a stable ion with 2+ charge. So it is always group 2. Very easily we can say that group 2 elements always form a charge with 2+. Okay, why? Because they have 2 electrons in their valence shells, and they can easily lose those 2 electrons to gain stable ionic structure like a noble gas. So we can say group 2, and from this list we can say magnesium is the best element that will have 2+ charge. So we can write the symbol Mg as it was directed. Now, is the least reactive in period. So we know that whatever or which type of the elements are least reactive, whose electronic shells, lost electronic shells, are complete either by duplet or by octet. So as this is period 3, so we straightforward goes to the element that belongs to group 8. Okay, group 8 elements have complete valence shell, and they no need any further electron to lose or gain. That is why we can say it is argon. Then C is used in water treatment. So from the chapter water we can understand, or from the halogen, uses of the halogen, we can easily understand and remember that the chlorine is the element which is used in chlorination, so we can say it is chlorine. And how it can treat the water? By killing the bacteria. Next question. In D part, forms an oxide which is the main impurity in iron ore. So we know that it is silicon dioxide. So the element that is involved in making that silicon dioxide is silicon. In E part is an important component of fertilizers. So we know that the three elements which are essential for plants growth are N, P, K, and out of these three, which one belongs to period 3? It is phosphorus. So we are going to write the symbol P. Okay, now in F is stored under oil. So most reactive elements, it is talking, and the examiner is talking about the most reactive element. So in period 3 we know group 1 elements are more reactive. Group 1 elements are more reactive. So in this period 3, sodium belongs to group 1. So that's why we can say sodium must be stored under oil. Okay, then in G part he says that is used in food containers. So I think from the uses of aluminium, you remember that aluminium is the element which is used for making food containers. Okay, and the reason behind, due to its protective layer, okay, which prevent its further reaction. Now in each part is used in the ore zinc blend. Okay, so the formula for the zinc blend, you know, it is ZnS. So you can easily say which one is the element from period 3. So this is sulfur, so I'm going to write S. So now you can easily understand there are multiple concepts you have to recall. If you understand all these, then no need to worry. If you have some problems, then please just make the notes, short notes, and write down each and everything as it was asked, and then write the appropriate answer in your own words. Okay, this will help a lot in solving further questions from the future or from the further past papers if you are going to solve them. Okay, so please make notes properly and try not to leave them. At least once a day or twice a day, have a glance. Okay, just try to revise all those concepts which you learn. Okay, now proceeding